Assalamualaikum and a very good morning to Madam Nik Ruslawati. On behalf of my group, I'd like to welcome you today. My name is Noranis Adelina binti Zaibidi and my group will present about product ordering database system for Shopee. My team members are Nur Inshirah, Nur Fadilah Husna, Khairunisa Nashita, Nur Hidayah and Muhammad Adamukis. Without wasting any more time, let's get started. First and foremost, I will explain about the problem statement. As we know, Shopee is the leading e-commerce platform in Southeast Asia and Taiwan. It is a platform tailored for the region, providing customers with an easy, secure, and fast online shopping experience through strong payment and logistical support. Despite being one of the biggest e-commerce that offers a lot of great deals, there are some unethical vendors that scam buyers through Shopee. Even though Shopee has given a lot of warning to their users, there are still a lot of scams reports that have been made. Actually, these scammers usually use the same tricks, which are the first one is they usually ask buyers to make transactions outside Shopee. As an example, direct transfer to their bank account. When this happened, Shopee could not protect the buyer's transaction as it is made outside Shopee. That's why it is important for Shopee users to complete their transaction through Shopee only. This is to avoid being scammed. Ridiculously cheap items are also likely to be a scam. If the price difference seems too good to be true, it probably is. On Shopee, various fake stores are selling counterfeit goods. In recent case, fake branded cat food is being sold on Shopee. A man recently took to Twitter that to warn others about the counterfeit cat food. That tweet has received a lot of retweets and likes. Other users also have shared their experience being scammed by the same shop. Even though they have left bad reviews about the cat food, no actions have been taken to that seller, and the shop is still active on Shopee. This shows that Shopee could not prevent all scams report. Other than scam problems, Shopee also deals with vendors who sell prohibited items. As we know, there are too many products that have been listed on the Shopee platform. Thus, it is nearly impossible for Shopee to filter all these products. These prohibited items include animals, artifacts, and drugs. Since some people look for these items, the seller will continue to provide for them. Therefore, the objective that we want to propose is to develop an order database system for buyers that is free from any prohibited business and any sort of fraud in the online shopping platform, which is safer for everyone. With this system, we can guarantee that the users from buying any fake products and safe from any scammer. Apart from that, we also want to create a better online shopping platform that can be used worldwide. With this system, the users can buy their desired item, which will not be ended in disappointment and cause their money to be wasted. There will be no more unsatisfied users, thus making the platform as the trusted one among the others. Now, Hidayah will talk about the ERD.
Okay, next, the entity relationship, or we know it as ERD. For product ordering shopping system, there are 5 entities, which is purchase, user, payment, product, and package. First, for user entity, the primary key is user ID, and the attribute are username, user full name, user phone number, user address, and user email. And for purchase, it has only one primary key, that is purchase ID, and the attribute are quantity, total price, order status, and two foreign key, user ID and product ID. Um, the relationship between user and purchase is zero or many to one and only one relationship. And as you can see, there are the dotted line that refer to the weak relationship. Next, for purchase, uh, purchase can contain the product and the relationship between them is zero or many to one mandatory. The product have product ID as primary key, and the attribute are product name, product price, product detail, product types, and two foreign key, that is payment ID and pack ID. Then the product will be paid by do a payment which many optional to one mandatory relationship. In payment, that have the primary key, that is payment ID. Payment ID, payment date, payment total, payment time, and payment status as the attribute. Lastly, after the payment has done, the product will distribute to package. In package entity, the pack ID is the primary key, and it involves the attribute like tracking number, shipping time, shipping address, courier type, and shipping fee. The relationship between product and package is zero or many to one and only one relationship.
Okay. And now I'm going to explain about create table statement and output. So to create table, we use based on the ARD that we draw. And based on the ARD, we have 5 tables. So first is table user. We use this command to create table user. And then we also alter the table user by adding user address. Okay, to get the output from this table user, we run the command select from user. And then this will be the output. Okay, next is table payment. So this will be the command for table payment. And to get the output, we run select from payment. Then this will be the output. So the third table is create table package, and this will be the command for table package. And to get the output, we will run the command select from package. Then this will be the output. Okay, next, the fourth table is table product. So this will be the command for table product, and then we also alter table product by dropping the column user ID. And then to get the output, we run the command select from product. So that will be the output. And lastly is table purchase. Okay, so this will be the command to create table purchase. And then to get the output, we will run the select from purchase. This will be the output. So that's it.
Okay, now I will explain a bit about the update and delete part, which is the first one. We will update the payment table. Our command will be update payment, set payment status to success, where payment ID is SHP for that's it. Please select from payment. This will be our output. The next one, we will update package table which we set tracking number to that value and shipping time to that value where pack ID is that. Please show us the select part. Alright, this will be our output after we update our table. Okay, for the delete part, we will use this command which is delete from user where username is equal to that. And then we will select from user. And this will be our output where we can see that username where is ANSADLN is not there anymore because we already delete that.
Okay, now we go to simple query. The question is find username, address, courier, shipping fee where the shipping fee is more than 7 ringgit. This is the command and this is the output of the question. The second question is list tracking number and payment total where the payment are greater than or equal to 600 ringgit. The command is like this and the output is like this. Okay. Now Khairunisa will present about column function.
Next, we move to column function. So for the first question, list the package ID and sum of the product price by each package ID. Then name the table as total price. As you can see, there is the command and we use the sum function to get the total price. So that is the output. For the second question, display the user ID, username, full name and phone number. Then arrange by user full name in ascending order. So we will use order by ascending and that is the command. So there will be the output.
Okay, now I would like to explain about the retrieving data from multiple tables. The first question is use join to display all rows in the user and purchase table. How many rows were written? Okay, the command is and then we can get the output. Okay, there are 16 rows. Okay, the second question, write a query to display the names of product that quantity order more than 2. Okay, the command is, and then we can get the output. Okay, the next question, for all product that have a payment status is success, list payment ID, username, and payment details, payment date, list identical rows on, order the list by payment ID and then by payment time. Okay, this is a command and we can get the output. Okay, that's all from me. Now I pass to Khairunisa.
Okay, I will explain to you about sub-queries. So for the first question, list the payment ID, the date of payment, time of the payment, and all of the orders that have the payment status success. So that is the command and that is the output. For second question, display package ID, tracking number, shipping address, and shipping fee for those who are standard delivery and JNT Express. So that is the command and that is the output for the question.
In conclusion, that's how we use SQL in order to obtain data from Shopee database. That's all from us. Thank you.